Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you about the sine rule. There are two versions of the sine rule, one for finding sides, one for finding angles. The version for finding sides states little a divided by sine capital A is equal to little b divided by sine capital B is equal to little c divided by sine capital C. For finding angles, it's basically writing the angle at the top. So it's really the same rule. Looking at the sine rule, you can only use the sine rule if you have a matching pair. You have to know one angle and the side opposite it. For example, if I know angle A, I must also know the side directly opposite to it, which we call little a. If I know angle B, I must also know the side directly opposite to it, which I call little b. And if I know angle C, I must also know the side directly opposite to it, and we call that little c. Then if you have just one other side or angle, you can use the sine rule to find any of the other angles or sides. Let's look at an example. It says, finding the missing side. Is it a right angle triangle? No. Is there a matching pair? Yes, we can see a matching pair because we know that angle is 65 degrees and the side directly opposite to it is 10 centimeters. So we use the sine rule. We label the sides and angles. Now we write our sine rule. Because we're trying to find a missing length of a side, the little letters are on top. We don't need the C bit of the formula. We now fill in the bits we know. So we have x divided by sine 40 degrees is equal to 10 divided by sine 65 degrees. Again, we label the missing side and angle A, and then B and C. It really doesn't matter the order that you label those two in. So what you're trying to find, you always label that A. All we need to do now is to multiply both sides by sine 40 degrees so we can solve for x. We input that in our calculator and we should get an answer of 7.09 centimeters, correct to 3 significant figures. Now let's look at a second example. This example is for finding missing angle. Is it a right angle triangle? No. Is there a matching pair? Yes. So we use the sine rule. Again, we label the sides and angles. Always call your missing side or angle A. The other two sides and angles, it doesn't matter the order that we write them in for B and C. Again, we write our formula. Because we're trying to find a missing angle, the formula is the other way up. We don't need the C bit of the formula. We fill in the bits we know. So we have sine theta over 7.1 is equal to sine 65 degrees over 10. Now we multiply both sides of the equation by 7.1. We get sine theta is equal to sine 65 degrees over 10 times 7.1. We input that in our calculator. We should get sine theta is equal to 0.643, and the numbers keep changing. Now all we need to do now to find theta is to find the inverse of sine 0.643, whatever it is. Don't delete it from your calculator, just find the inverse of your answer. You should get an answer of 40.05 degrees. Again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching guys.